Hey guys, if anyone is asking himself how to fix a panel like this, if you fucked it up like I did this afternoon, like this one, and this one is cracked all the way. As you can see, I've already started it. I cracked it up there, all the way here, and I also fucked up this little thing here. So what I did is I drilled a bunch of holes. Um, so I usually drill one on each side, and I usually start um, over the crack, past the crack, and after that I come on the crack all the way up to the end. And what you want to start by doing is one at the end and the one at the beginning. So what you want is wire, steel wire. Um, I just took galvanized because it doesn't rust, and it's 14 gauge. Um, so yeah, what you want to do after that is you just take a pair of pliers like that, cutters, and you just cut a small piece about I don't know, 3 inches nice. So you just cut it just like that, okay, and then you'll bend it right in the middle, and until you get I guess you can almost like a U shape, and so you'll turn around. You want to get the nice part on this end, and you you put it in the holes, turn it back around, and then you just go like that, twist it up, and then you take your other pliers, you get both ends of the wire like that, and you just keep twisting until it's tight enough. Now as you can see, it's tight enough, tight on both sides. I might tighten it up a little bit more, but as you can see, and once that's done, you can go ahead and cut that top piece, and that's pretty much how you repair plastic.